Dear all the viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Royal Zenith. It's me Ganesh. I am back with the next video for MA English Entrance Examination of Tribhuwan University. I hope this video will be very helpful for you to prepare for the entrance examination. Generally, multiple choice questions are asked in entrance exam, so I request you to prepare for it accordingly. Mostly questions will be asked from your BA English course. Without further delay, now I'd like to start the video. I have included altogether 55 questions in this video. Question number 1. What is the meaning of the term Hamartia as used by Aristotle in his theory of tragedy? Option A. Tragic end of the tragedy. Option B. Working of fate against the hero. Option C. A weak trait in the character of the hero. Option D. A strong quality in the character of the hero. Correct answer is option C. Question number 2. What is denouncement? Option A. The ending of a tragedy. Option B. The ending of a comedy. Option C. The climax in a tragedy. Option D. The climax in a comedy. Correct option is option B. Question number 3. The play or drama is organized in option A. Chapters. Option B. Acts and scenes. Option C. Episodes. Option D. Pages and numbers. Correct answer is option B. Question number 4. The character against the protagonist in a drama is called option A. Villain. Option B. Bad man. Option C. Wicked. Option D. Antagonist. The correct answer is option D. Question number 5. Things or items that the characters or actors may need to use as they perform their part are known to be option A. Lines. Option B. Scenes. Option C. Roles. Option D. Prompts. The correct option is option D. Question number 6. To whom poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful passion? Option A. John Keats. Option B. P.B. Shelley. Option C. William Wordsworth. Option D. S.T. Coleridge. The correct option is option C. Question number 7. Aristotle discusses the theory of tragedy in option A. Art Poetic. Option B. Poetics. Option C. Rhetoric. Option D. Ars Poetica. Correct option is option B. Question number 8. The death of the author was written by option A. Helen Sykes. Option B. Michael Foucault. Option C. Felix Gautry. Option D. Rolla Barthes. Correct answer is option D. Question number 9. A struggle between opposing characters or opposing forces is called option A. Conflict. Option B. Point of view. Option C. Motive. Option D. Tone. The correct answer is option A. Question number 10. The attribution of human qualities to inanimate things or animals is known as option A. Affective fallacy. Option B. Pathetic fallacy. Option C. Attributive fallacy. Option D. None of the above. Correct option is option B. Question number 11. The phrase, the crepitating clatter of crepuscular creatures cracked the silence of the night, makes use of option A. Alliteration. Option B. Assonance. Option C. Metaphor. Option D. Simile. The correct option is option A. Question number 12. There lay the river before us, slumbering like a giant python that had just devoured its prey. This is an example of option A. Metaphor. B. Simile. C. Synthesia. D. Personification. Correct option is option B. Question number 13. Men are April when they woo, December when they wed is an example of option A. Metaphor. B. Simile. C. Synthesia. D. Alliteration. The correct answer is option A. Question number 14. A heroic couplet is a pair of option A. Iambic tetrameter lines that rhyme. B. Iambic hexameter lines that rhyme. C. Iambic pentameter lines that rhyme. Option D. Iambic pentameter lines that do not rhyme. Correct answer is option C. Question number 15. The last 6 lines of a sonnet are called option A sextuplets, option B itus, option C sestet, option D volta. Correct option is option C. Question number 16. Dash is the evil monster in first English epic. Option A Beowulf, option B Grendel, C Hrothgar, option D Hygelac. Correct answer is option B. Question number 17. The author of Paradise Lost is option A Alfred Lord Tennyson, B John Milton, C Geoffrey Chaucer, D T.S. Eliot. Correct answer is option B. Question number 18. The phrase the theatre of the absurd is attributed to option A William Shakespeare, B Christopher Marlowe, C Martin Aslin, D Harold Pinter. Correct answer is option C. Question number 19. The Canterbury Tales is said to have been influenced by option A Homer's Odyssey, option B Boccaccio's Decameron, option C Virgil's Aeneid, option D Aesop's Fables. Correct option is option B. Question number 20. Who wrote Ode to a Nightingale? Option A William Wordsworth, B Robert Frost, C John Keats, D P.B. Shelley. Correct option is option C. Question number 21. Who wrote the tragedy Oedipus Rex? Option A John Milton, B Sophocles, C Ben Jonson, D August Strindberg. Correct option is option B. Question number 22. Stressed and unstressed syllabic pattern in a verse or within the line of a poem is called option A meter, B rhythm, C rhyme, D alliteration. Correct option is option B. Question number 23. Dash is an exaggerated statement that is used to emphasize a point. Option A hyperbole, B imagery, C dialogue, D climax. Correct option is option A. Question number 24. Which poetic form does have a single stanza 5 lines? Option A lyric, B limerick, C haiku, D none of these. Correct option is option B. Question number 25. Which of the following is a feminist poem? Option A Oh Sweet Spontaneous, B Amnesia, C I Heard a Fly Buzz, D Coronet. Correct answer is option B. Question number 26. Poetic diction was taken to be the standard language for poetry in option A the Elizabethan age, B the Romantic age, C the Neoclassical age, D the Victorian age. Correct option is option C the Neoclassical age. Question number 27. What is the main function of post-colonial criticism? Option A to represent the relationship between colonizers and the colonized. Option B to draw attention to the positive effects of colonization on literature. C to show ways in which most Western literature is superior. Option D to explain why there are few examples of successful non-Western literature. Correct answer is option A. Question number 28. Which literary theorist argues that there is nothing outside the text? Option A Jacques Lacan, B T.S. Eliot, C Jacques Derrida, D Stanley Fish. Correct answer is option C. Question number 29. What is Simon de Beauvoir's primary thesis in The Second Sex? Option A. Women are naturally inferior. B. Men are naturally inferior. C. Women must rebel against patriarchy. D. Men fundamentally oppress women. Correct answer is option D. Question number 30. Aristotle calls poet an option A actor, B imitator, C interpreter, D evaluator. Correct answer is option B. Question number 31. The plot of the movie Citizen Kane moves around the search for option A Slade, B Rosebud, C Xanadu, D Chicago City. Correct answer is option B. Question number 32. The play Miss Julie sets in option A. Sweden, B. New Zealand, C. Florida, D. Thebes. Correct option is option A. Question number 33. Who wrote the essay The Origin of Civil Society? Option A. Plato, B. Aristotle, C. Rousseau, D. Socrates. Correct option is option C. Question number 34. The study of sign is called option A. Linguistics, B. Semiotics, C. Stylistics, D. Pragmatics. Correct answer is option B. Question number 35. The study of meaning in relation to the context of the language users is called option A. Syntax, B. Pragmatics, C. Speech aids, D. Semantics. Correct option is option B. Question number 36. Naomi Wolf is a dash. Option A. Radical feminist, B. Post-colonial thinker, C. Psychoanalytic critic, option D. Marxist thinker. Correct answer is option A. Question number 37. Which feminist critic spoke about the need of a room for a woman to become a writer? Option A. Simon de Beauvoir, B. Virginia Woolf, C. Toril Moy, D. Alice Walker. Correct answer is option B. Question number 38. The primary purpose of writing essays is option A. Narration, B. Interaction, C. Persuasion, D. Meditation. Correct answer is option C. Persuasion. Question number 39. Who is known as the father of English essays? Option A. Joseph Addison, B. Samuel Johnson, C. Charles Lamb, D. Francis Bacon. Correct answer is option D. Question number 40. Which of the following short stories was written by Guy de Maupassant? Option A. Simulcara, B. Clay, C. Moonlight, D. Battle Royale. Correct option is option C. Moonlight. Question number 41. Which of the following essays is an anti-colonial essay? Option A. Shooting an Elephant, B. The Herd Astray, C. Autobiographical Notes, D. The Death of a Moth. Correct option is option A. Question number 42. When choosing a point of view, the author needs to consider dash. Option A. Which viewpoint would make the most interesting story? Option B. Which characters most likely to sound intelligent enough to tell a story? Option C. What the protagonist will be doing? Option D. How far the narrator will be able to see. Correct option is option A. Question number 43. Which of the following is a metaphysical poem? Option A. The Coronet, B. Sailing to Byzantium, C. The Relic, D. Spring and Fall to a Gull. Correct answer is option C. The Relic. Question number 44. Which of the following poem is a work of ekphrasis? Option A. Fawn Hill, option B. Landscape with the Fall of Icarus, option C. Amnesia, and option D. Bogland. Correct answer is option B. Question number 45. What is stream of consciousness technique? Option A. A linear flow of thoughts with obvious associations between one idea and the next. Option B. A narrative device which mimics the chaos of natural thoughts pattern that often lacks obvious connections. Option C. A form of writing with clear rhythm, pattern and rhyme scheme. Option D. A form of writing with chronological order. Correct answer is option B. Question number 46. What is the first line of Robert Frost's poem Mending Wall? Option A. Good fancies make good neighbors. Option B. Something there is that doesn't love a wall. Option C. Whose words these are I think I know. D. Two roads diverged in a yellow way. Correct answer is option B. Question number 47. In drama, a soliloquy refers to which of the following? Option A. A dialogue between two characters. Option B. A character's final words before dying. Option C. A speech delivered by a character intended to be spoken to only the audience. Option D, a rhyming line. Correct option is option C. Question number 48. The psychoanalytic critic Sigmund Freud believed that option A, the hidden meanings of a story can never be unlocked. Option B, a text is a writer's dreams undisguised. Option C, artistic creation plunges the artist deep into a state of neurosis. Option D, a literary text must be analyzed like a dream. Correct answer is option D. Now some questions from English grammar. Question number 49. Dash his principles, he has to be very careful. Option A, with regard of. Option B, with regard on. Option C, with regard to. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C. Question number 50. Building has been built dash the new plan. Option A, accordance to. Option B, in accordance with. Option C, for. Option D, about. Correct option is option B. Question number 51. Which of the following sentences is correct? Option A. Do you like a glass of water? Option B. Would you like a glass of water? Option C. Would you like the glass of water? Option D. Do you like the glass of water? Correct answer is option B. Would you like a glass of water? Question number 52. Synonym of heyday is dash. Option A, bad day. Option B, time for great success. Option C, normal day. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option B. Question number 53. Which is the correctly spelled word? Option A, HARASMENT. Option B, HARRASMANT. Option C, HARASSMENT. Option D, HARRESMENT. Correct answer is option C. Question number 54. The woman who has been missing for 10 days is believed dash. Option A, to be abducted. Option B, to be abducting. C, to have been abducted. Option D, to have been abducting. Correct option is option C. Question number 55. Dash to offend anyone, she said both cakes were equally good. Option A, not wanting. B, as not wanting. C, she did not want. D, because not wanting. Correct answer is option A.